Good morning students, class 8 chapter number 9 algebraic expression and entities. In the previous video we discussed about exercise 9.5 question number 1 and entities also. Now we start question number 2. In the question number 2 use the entity x plus a into x plus b equal to h square plus a plus b into x plus ab and find out the following products. So we just note down its second part. In the second part, the first binomial contain 4x plus 5 and the second binomial contain 4x plus 1. We have to multiply this binomial to this binomial. Both binomials in which first term is same but second term is different, the entity we can use x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Write the entity in a box. Now after comparing we obtained that in the replace of x we just note down 4x and in the replace of a we note down 5 and in the replace of b we note down 1. Now put the value in RHS. 4x whole square plus in a bracket 5 plus 4. After the bracket we note down 4x plus 5 multiply 1. 4x multiply 4x 16x square. 5 plus 4 9. 9 4 36. 36x and plus 5. So it is the product of these two binomials. Now we try its another part and we suppose we try its fourth part. In the fourth part, first binomial contain 4x plus 5 and the second binomial contain 4x minus 1. These are two binomial in which first term is same but second term is different. The formula entity we can use x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab and note down the entity in a box. Now after comparing, in the replace of x we note down 4x, in the replace of a we note down 5 and in the replace of b, remember in the replace of b we note down minus 1 because it contains sign of positive and here is sign of minus. So now put the value in RHS. 4x whole square plus 5 in the replace of b we note down minus 1. Minus 1 in the place of x we note down 4x plus a in 5 into b minus 1. 4x into 4x 16x square. 5 minus 1 4. 4 multiply 4x. 5 multiply minus 1 minus 5 and the final answer is 16x square plus 16x minus 5. So it's the final answer of product of this binomial to this binomial. So I sure all parts you can do yourself. Now we discuss question number 3. In the question number 3, find the following squared by using the entities. आपको इन स्क्वायर्स का यूज करके एंटिटी फाइंड आउट करनी है, मतलब इनका एंटिटी यूज करके इनका आंसर निकालना है. वी नोट डाउन इट्स सेकंड पार्ट. इन द सेकंड पार्ट xy plus 3z whole square. And after comparing we notice that the entity we can use a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. And now in the replace of a we note down xy and in the replace of b we note down 3z. So In the replace of a, we note down xy. It's mean xy whole square plus 2 into xy into. In the replace of b, we note down 3z. 3z plus 3z whole square. X into xy into x into y, x square y square, and multiply 2 3 is 6 x y z, and 3z multiply 3z, it is 9z square. So it is the answer of xy plus 3z whole square. Now we try its fifth part. All parts are same. Fifth part, 0.4p minus 0.5q whole square. And after observing, we notice that the entity we can use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. And after replacing a, we note down 0.4p. After replacing b, we note down 0.4q. 0.4p whole square minus 2 multiply 0.4p into 0.5q plus 0.5q whole square. 0.4p into 0.4p. 0.4 multiply 0.4. In the decimal, always careful to multiply. 0.4 multiply 0.4, 4 4 is 16, and there are 2 digits after decimal. So 0.16p square. 0.4 multiply 0.5, 4 5 is 20, and there are 2 digits after decimal. So their multiply is 0.20, and p multiply q, pq. 0.5 q multiply 0.5 q, 0.25 q square. So final answer 0.16 p square minus 2 multiply 0.20, it means 0.4 pq plus 0.25 q square. So I sure fifth part also clear. So question number 3 you can do complete it without any problem, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4, we have also simplify, and in this question there are total 7 parts are given. So we note down its first part. The first part is a square minus b square whole square, and after comparing we observe that the entity we can use in this part x minus y whole square. I again repeat, if any variable is used in the question, then we change the variable in the entity. Generally it is not compulsory, but ये थोड़ा बेटर रहता है कि अगर आप वेरिएबल चेंज करोगे तो कंपेयरिंग में आपको प्रॉब्लम कम फेस करनी होगी. x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square, and note down the entity in a box. And after comparing we note down x. In the replace of x we note down a square. In the replace of y we note down b square. So a square whole square, देखो x की वैल्यू a square है, ऊपर का होल स्क्वायर सेम रहेगा. Minus, in the replace of x we note down a square. In the replace of y we note down b square, and it is b square whole square. Now in the exponent we study that then there is a power upon a power, then we multiply the both power It's mean a 2 multiply 2 4 minus 2a square b square plus b raised to the power 4. So it is the solution of this part. I sure first part is clear. Now we note down its third part. In the third part, 7m minus 8n whole square plus 7m plus 8n whole square. So in both we can use different entity. In this term we use a minus b whole square, and in this we use a plus b whole square. So we note down both entity a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and second entity we use a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. And we note down the required entity in a box. Now apply the entity in this term. 7m whole square minus 2 multiply 7m multiply 8n plus 8n whole square. Now apply the entity in this term. 7m whole square plus 2 multiply 7m multiply 8n plus 8n whole square. 7m multiply 7m, 49m square minus 7 is 56, 56 2 ja 112, so 112 mn plus 64n square plus 49m square plus 112 mn plus 64n square. Now we adjust the like terms and we note down the like terms near to each other. 49m square plus 49m square minus 112 mn plus 112 mn plus 64n square plus 64n square. These two terms cancel out. So 98m square plus 64 plus 64, 128n square. So it is the answer of third part. Now we just note down its sixth part. हम इसका सिक्स्थ पार्ट डिस्कस करेंगे. In the sixth part, AB plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. So in this term we can use the entity x plus y whole square. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. In the place of x we note down AB, and in the place of y we note down BC. AB whole square plus 2 multiply AB multiply BC plus BC whole square minus 2AB square C. A square B square plus 2 B multiply B square, तो 2AB square C plus B square C square minus 2AB square C. These two terms are cancelled out, and the final answer A square B square plus B square C square. So question number 4 you can also do. So question number 2, 3 and 4 in homework. In the next video, we continue exercise 9.5. Thank you very much.